Because xa usita amajita ayabhanga usenza week ngo asibhawe futhi siyancoma fondini. So iyahlala guys ingoma iculwa nguCings. Cings intwana lapha eGaza. Uthi Snar Park. So iyahlala mphulaphula uzawuphinda uyive nakwezinye inqubo. Yes I.
It's LM Huber, IZE, Inhloko Zenyoka Entertainment. You're listening to Just Blaze, Kukumkani FM. Peace.
Yeah, Gumboza from IZE. You're listening to Just Blaze, Kukumkani FM 95.8. Yeah.
When I was young, my mama used to talk about me happy till I was old enough, and she was taken away from me. How I do this? You tell you acting at a Nazi, I'm the one who's pulling them strings. This pretty pitch.
Umbulazi ke yabo. Now let's go. Ungiphamsela verse yabo kancane nje volume. Hey. Sarepa ke manje. Yeah. Sarep before ngindini ngifuna ngiqale nazi ngislima muthithiza le track usangithatha ngama feelings ama gangster ama rapper lawa gqiza namafinyila bully beat kanje bafana sesifiki ngidla ngeParis man ngibenzela ama film ufuna impumelelo ngeke uyithole tavern lama shows enwenza khona ngike nikhokhele nga next say mufuna ngifike party sound grand ngifuna izinto ezikhala kahle njengopende waseDulex say intro lengukuthi kufike esiphethweni and I'm too bad kanti wena ulele escaping amathekeni mengivala zothi phela nginenduke emnandi bayithanda mingene emlomeni uxeka mina ntwana ngeke kufeza amaphupho phela I don't mind ukuthi ngikudla abantu bebuka now hold your own luggage niggas gonna suck you and angina spill ngathi umuntu oshota ngesibuko mangidla ingane haters ofela mathi yona ke le gang engafuni ukuthatha serious manje sebeyangigcoba bafuna ukuthi ngisipane nabo zinto zami ziyacusha ngizocross iborder ngomgunyathi don't you ever think the summer no got you I think it is time you take my advice dude and ungaqome ngengwenye namathathu mina ngaphatha amathekeni ashisaya amathathu ebeyadinwa bezwa kuthiwa ngiphethe ngesigubha I kill my own thing ngathi ngenza abortion proof bayangibuza bathi dog who are you as I'm too sick nguma ngcobehle nopatshutshu who the hell are you to see on my throne you the one they call umshaywe on the block cut the joke man I'm dropping hits on my own under ngiyaba confused manginuka idon angikhathazeki lamabhazi ngakapheli bra I'll never fear fake niggas with a fake you wanna buzz sengihuva ngivele ngigcwale ngawo mina nequality siphepha dala bengiuser befuna ama free beat la now I don't beg njengesikhwama nami ngiphethe la ngibahudula kojozi ngiyivala stenga style some njengashiya stenga oledi lathi never talk to the strangers manje ngilalelanga ngathi ngiba ama favors I ain't down for that mu hate usunga hater ngibhampela abazenza ngona bafuna ukurespecta nabanye nabangapha bazama ukotela spizi nama beats amnandi ne flows ayikopela nesande pedayo nasemadlebeni yakwepha awukahle mntana ungafuna ukubukwa zele wena sokunyathela I like that yeah
Wow man.
Yeah.
Exejonga sizowukhipha mphulaphuli usamamele ukumkani FM 95.8 the voice of hustlers kuphuma uGrenade kwenze man hey I grenade
sure
ajonga iGrenade nyani leqobo kwenzeka apha
sure
imfethu umjito uvela wamangenyawo like hey sensho kangavela sure wayibulala mntakwethu number 1 dihleli no Grenade guys please ndixhomile napha uba #freestyle ka Grenade wangena umihla ntsonto that's too dope maizo bangenile amajita so guys ndizonifunda after this but ke mangiqale ndenze kanje yewena
wena bafethu ngqueries silapha MTA Art Center we do good family session bafethu masibangene mnike
It's LM Hooper, IZE, inhloko zenyoka entertainment. You're listening to Just Blaze kukumkani FM. Peace.
Yeah, Ngumboza from IZE. You're listening to Just Blaze. Kumkani FM 95.8. Yeah.
Zimbinjaba.
Impilo yasekasi, impilo yasekasi, sibila ngokushizila makasi. Impilo yasekasi, impilo yasekasi, sibila ngokushizila makasi.
Ufuka kwangenseni ufuna espana ngithole next. The whole family depende kuwe, you can't relax. Melo skarele wenhle fam ubhatala tax. Ubona undanga wakho wofunda naye signing checks. Yes sis, wena swakho hluphekile. Uthi ucinga wrong uthe next door bakuthakathile. Now you living with the anger yensokolo. You got grade 12 city mara span dollar. Now you end up doing drugs. You chill with thugs, party cheese make your life short. He's through nas. Mele khalo munye kuze kuhleko munye, mele kuhleko munye kuze khalo munye, life unjani kasi. Bafayisi khekhe labo cherry, bafuna uphila sweet lwana bestiko sugar daddy. Well izibhero nge weekend can't believe it. Endlela ezininzi ngayo sizaphumela phakathi evikini.
Impilo yasekasi, impilo yasekasi, sibila ngokushizila makasi. Impilo yasekasi, impilo yasekasi, sibila ngokushizila makasi.
Impilo yasekasi chinji every day is pain. Dala sabalaza pusha, we hoping for change. Aphe kase mele uzibheke before you take a step. Why chill usbu wama lawyer, sometimes in life crap. Mchitu throw uchere kodwa usena side chick. Nalo throw yanyanyoba wenze yakho sibona sick. Uthumza umithi su Amanda kodwa kyodo sbu. Since ngena sibana umchita kuphela kusondla umdu. Yes sis, stout sesibanje siphinde siphume. Azimamele sizintsha sinobukhala hume. Gcwela amaphara yasiphaka, le ndaba iyangixaka. Umntana na 14 years uyataka. Every weekend is yabila kumnandi sporting. Everybody's feeling good and fresh, shutlu kotin. Kase kuya ke winana kume rape show. Next morning you crying, kusobu sound and choncho. Life ekase fana na dice, sometimes it's nice. Kumele siphathe kahle mfana, add up the spice. For a mother leave, for wife kill, husband dies. Usudangeni, wedding ring is just a ring of lies.
Impilo yasekasi, impilo yasekasi, sibila ngokushizila makasi. Impilo